Hello. This video provides a brief overview of how to import downloaded flashcards into Anki software. Anki is a powerful, free, and open-source flashcard software designed to help you memorize information efficiently using spaced repetition. It allows you to create your own flashcards or download pre-made decks to assist with studying and retaining knowledge. Go to the Anki website. On the homepage, select the appropriate download link for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. After the file is downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Anki on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the Anki application. After launching Anki, you'll see the main screen. This is where all your flashcard decks will be listed. On the Anki main screen, click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select Import from the drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to where you saved the file you downloaded. Select the file and click Open. After clicking Open, Anki will prompt you with the option to import the deck. You can modify the import settings here, but the default options are usually fine for most decks. Click Import to add the deck to your collection. Start studying. Once the import is complete, you'll see the new deck listed on the main screen of Anki. Click on the deck to open it, and you can begin studying immediately. That's it. You've successfully installed Anki and imported a flashcard deck into the software. Now, you can make use of the powerful spaced repetition system to enhance your learning experience. Happy studying!